Nothing is more delicious than a meal that has several flavorful components to choose from. To prepare this convection oven meal, I will use my oven for baking some chicken wings together with some pork meatballs while steaming rice and vegetables in the steam oven. That's a good use of two really great appliances. While the recipes are very simple, as you can see, they do require a fair few spices and seasonings, but that's where all the flavor is. So begin by measuring out all the ingredients you will need for each recipe. The recipe for the chicken wings calls for a blend of flavorful spices including paprika, turmeric, cinnamon, and garlic powder. And then they'll get tossed with a nice glaze when they come out of the oven. But basically all you have to do is toss the chicken wings with seasoning, salt, some oil, and spread them onto a rimmed baking sheet. The baking sheet can be lined with some foil, make it shiny side down for easier cleanup. Once the seasonings are added to the ground pork, all you have to do is form the meatballs and spread those onto a baking sheet, again lined with foil for easy cleanup. If you have a helper handy to assist, these will come together very, very quickly. Organize your oven racks before you turn on the oven. Have one rack in the lower portion of the oven and one higher up. Heat the oven in the convection roast or convection bake mode at 425. Then slide the trays into the oven and set the timer for 20 minutes. Now, if you want some additional crisping of the chicken wings, you can remove the meatballs at that time and set them aside to keep warm. Increase the oven temperature to 475 and cook the chicken for another 6 to 8 minutes. Meanwhile, heat the steam oven in the steam mode. Simply combine the rice with some salt, butter, and water. Use 1 3/4 cups of water to 1 cup of rice because there's extra humidity that comes into play when you steam in the steam oven. Place the container in the oven and set the timer for 15 minutes. Place the rinsed greens in the perforated pan, and when the 15-minute timer elapses, add those to the steam oven. Reset the timer in the steam oven for 6 to 8 minutes, depending on the type of greens you're cooking. The overall cooking time will be approximately 25 minutes for the rice and the greens, and they should be ready to serve at the same time as the chicken and meatballs. This is a simple, flavorful meal. It does require a fair few components to get that flavor, but it's a terrific use of two of the best appliances in your kitchen, convection oven and your steam oven. I hope you'll enjoy, and please like and subscribe. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.